And welcome to this new video tutorial. In this video I will be showing you the easiest way how you could solve the problem of no network, no internet, no connectivity, unknown network, unidentified network, and also no Wi-Fi, or the so-called yellow triangle. All this problem is one problem actually, is the fact that you are not able to connect to your internet, or whenever you connect, it disconnects you, saying that you cannot log into that internet. To fix that problem, you have to understand that potentially your settings are incorrect, or your computer settings are outdated, or even the router needs to be resetted, or you need to upgrade it since it's outdated. So here, whenever I click on my internet, it says internet access unknown. To fix that, click on the search tab in Windows 10 and type control panel. The next step will be we click on this panel here on the left to get it open. And here, if you might have a different view from small icons to large icons, so make sure to change to category so that you are able to follow with us with this video. Once you have changed view by category, click on network and internet, click on network and sharing center, and make sure that you are trying to connect to your internet. So even though my internet is not working, I'm connected to my Wi-Fi. Now here I see my Wi-Fi appearing. I will just click on Wi-Fi, and here I will click properties. I will select Internet Protocol version 4 TCP/IPv4, and I select properties. This is the first solution. So as you can see, these values, they have been set manually when my computer and my internet has been installed. So I will just click or select obtain an IP address automatically, and select obtain DNS server address automatically, so that I can get the best option and get the best connectivity. I will select OK. I will click close. Windows will run a diagnostic tool, or you will see that the sent and received packages by bytes, they are increasing. Now I will go and try to connect to, let's say, to YouTube. So let's open Mozilla and see if I can connect to YouTube. Normally at this stage, this should have solved your problem. If after doing this you still couldn't solve your problem, then there is another solution for you. So now that I have opened my browser, let's click and search for Google. And in Google, let's search, for example, for a famous person to see if I will get any results. Here we go. Now the internet has been re-established and my internet is working. If after this step your internet is still not working and still showing the same errors, the yellow triangle, no internet access, internet not working whatsoever, the next step will be that you go back to control panel, you click again on your internet connection, you click on properties, and here you select Internet Protocol version C TCP/IPv6. Probably you have this option, and if you find that there are any values entered, just select obtain an IPv6 address automatically and select obtain DNS server address automatically and click OK. After that, click close, and then again click close, and this should solve the problem for you. You can go ahead, try again with your browser, and this should work. If after these two options it still doesn't work for you, then you might want to reset your router by clicking on the reset button on the back or on the bottom of your router. And if still didn't solve the problem, then you want to contact the network provider to see, because the problem might be at their end. Thank you guys for watching. If you are still facing problems or issues, you can always write us a comment or send us an email, and we'll do our best to help you. If you would like to encourage us more, you can click like, share, and do not forget to subscribe to get our latest videos. Thank you for watching, and talk to you soon in a new video tutorial.